Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna talk about how I maintain my healthy, curly, natural hair. And I'm gonna give you guys some tips that I've been using for the last 2 years. So before I jump into that, I want to show you what products I'm gonna be using today. One is Garnier Air Dry Cream, my leave-in conditioner, and then this gel from Matrix called Acrylic Dream. So my first tip would be hydration. I noticed that when my hair is dry, it tends to break off a lot. So I realized that the more I kept my hair hydrated, the less breakage I would have. And the less breakage you have means that you get to maintain your length. So my second tip would be low manipulation hairstyles, meaning low tension. If you decide to do a hairstyle where you have high tension and your hair is pulling, whether it's your edges, your crown, that is going to cause breakage. So you want to avoid that by using any low manipulation hairstyles. For example, wash and goes. I think that is one of the easiest hairstyles that does not cause any tension whatsoever on your hair or scalp. My third tip for maintaining healthy curly hair would be the detangling process. Making sure when you detangle your hair, you start from the bottom and work your way up is going to be the best way to detangle your hair and avoid unnecessary breakage. Don't be alarmed by the shed hair that you see. It is normal for your hair to shed, I believe 100 strands a day. When I do a wash and go, I typically don't detangle, brush, or comb my hair for at least a week. So that's a week's worth of shed hair that you're seeing now. My fourth tip is to deep condition on a regular basis. I deep condition every 2 weeks. Typically when I wash my hair, I deep condition. The reason why I deep condition on a regular basis is because my hair feels much softer and more manageable when I deep condition, and that's really my main reason for doing it. My final tip would be to cleanse your hair when you need to. So your scalp will tell you when it's time to cleanse. It'll start to feel itchy, your hair will feel dry, so you will know that it's time to shampoo. I personally don't do co-washing. Like I said, I only wash my hair 2 weeks to, I'd say every 2 to 3 weeks. Some people need to wash their hair more often. Some people can go a month, even longer. But for me, I think the sweet spot is 2 weeks. And that would be my last tip for this video. Once you hydrate, you detangle, you deep condition, you cleanse, you do your low manipulation hairstyles, I think you'll start to see growth and you will start to see more healthier hair. And that's just my opinion. Everyone's different, but that's what worked for me. So I'm gonna just finish detangling my hair, and when I'm done, I'm going to hop in the shower, shampoo, deep condition, and then I'll be back to style my hair. I'm gonna do my wash and go with the products that I showed you guys earlier, and that's basically it. don't know why I decided to use this hooded dryer. Because I typically don't use a dryer. I try to not use too much heat, but I was being lazy, wanted my hair to dry fast, and this is how it came out. It it came out super frizzy. I don't know what happened. The front especially, maybe I didn't use enough products, but I ended up just pinning it up and calling it a night. Thanks for watching, everyone, and if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks again.